Hello everybody, this is Aisha George. Welcome back to my channel The Engineer George, and in this video we will review my study setup and from where I got these and what are the things which are required, very necessary for your desk space. So let's get started with this video. First thing first, this is the beauty which I bought from Flipkart in 2.9k. I think this table is why we should I bought it because it has two layers. So when I use my laptop, it gives me a full space here which I work on. And then instead of going with the leather, the what they call of keyboard mat, I go with this. This is like a stationary but yet very thick mat. This will be actually very useful in both the ways, for crafts works, for cutting, and plus working. And then I brought this. This is I brought from a local shop. It is very handy. It's really very efficient because in these kind of stands, I brought this also with the purpose of standing, but our phone gets really very strained its battery, so it doesn't have a outlet, which so I only have landscape mode available. But in this case you can have the charger with flowing with this. And then I brought this, and this is for 300 rupees. This is really handy for not checking my phone for any temperature or one date. So it also glows, but it is not glowing well off any light. Secondly, what does this beauty from Flipkart does is this handles the magnets. So if I just want to place these holders also, I can freely be like not worrying about where they are lying. So it's also a good thing. And things which I brought is this. This is for 20 or 19 rupees, or this whole combination is for 44 rupees. Which I actually talked about in the previous of my videos of Encarto, which is India's affordable stationery store. And the things I think you should buy for your study space are these handy clips. These are literally the life savior, because of you can see how many wires and plugs we have to deal with. More organized and not a mess out there when I will be in hold of charging all my appliances. And then you should have I brought these, which are memos, but longer memos. It has 100 of them papers. I think I brought in just in case. These are not stickable. These are like can be used as flashcards and memory cards. And obviously one should go whenever your desk is setting up with sticky notepad. Always, this is so much way too more handy. And then I got, so yeah, these are few of my purchases from. To forget to mention, I've also brought these small diaries which are of 15 or 20 rupees, and this small washi tape which is of I think 40 rupees something. It's good for the wall and paint because it's very clean and smoothly, so it's not a thing to worry about. It has some of the desk space, but it doesn't came with this by buying some portable drawers, but because they are of actually 400 something, so I brought this box. It's just handy and so much visible, and it doesn't actually eat the space of this. And also I want to show that all our fitness supplies. So as you can see, here is a paddling like cycle, gym cycle. Height is perfectly matching, like no, my knee doesn't get hurt while running it. So then you shouldn't go for more expensive things in this stage, because if you are concentrating there, so your concentration of space of like light should be this, not with chair and all. And yeah, what things you find yourself like yes, this is a good purchase. I'm going to purchase this right now. And if you comment, if you want the links of the same, so yeah. And also, you comment how do you rate my setup from 1 to 10. Thank you so much, and keep watching the Engineer George, and I will see you in the next video.